kam nakapag-istom rujo.
The PMU team of Swachh Bharat Mission Urban Meghalaya, in collaboration with Shillong Municipal Board, yesterday organized a one-day workshop-cum-training program for sanitation workers at Martin Maulai. Speaking at the occasion, Prafulla Kumar Boro, MCS CEO of Shillong Municipal Board, highlighted the important role of drivers and lorry attendants in maintaining a clean and healthy environment. Boro stressed that proper waste management is not only mandated by rules but also a collective responsibility, urging the workers to sensitize people to divide the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste separately.
Send the message that segregation at source must happen as per the solid waste management rules 2016. And our designated workers are the ambassador who will disseminate the information to the residents. With that purpose, we do believe, we do hope that one day or the other, through these sanitation workers, we will be able to make our Shillong city one of the cleanest city in the country.
Dr. Maisel Ampri